Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and this is my activity. Who is my closest friend? My closest friend is Imelda. She is 30 years old. She is a teacher. I met her at the church. Later, we studied at the same school. How many friends do I have on social networks? Currently, I have 1,055 friends on Facebook. Who were my friends when I was growing up? Okay, when I was a little, uh, my friends were Juan Carlos, Diego, Luis, and Ander. They were classmates from primary school. Do I have any friends that I have decided lives? Why? Yes, I had a friends who has a fun life. He likes to travel to many tourist places. Last year, he went with his wife to San Andres Island. Every Sunday, he goes to the church, and at the afternoon, he visits many restaurants with his friends. Thank you.